SmileFest 2025 took place in Japan. There were over 1,000 new figures on display, but today we're zooming in on the Nendoroid dolls. Hi, I'm Tatiana from the Dolly Insider. If you love Nendoroid dolls, go ahead and hit that like button. It lets us know to keep sharing more Dolly goodness like this. Now, in case you're new to the event, SmileFest is a big figure showcase hosted by Good Smile Company, along with their partner brands. It's where they reveal upcoming releases, display prototypes, and make collectors like us very, very excited. This year's lineup of Nendoroid dolls had a little bit of everything. Some familiar faces, some outfits, and a few surprises. Let's take a look at what they had on display. And that's a look at the Nendo dolls from SmileFest 2025. If you're curious about the character names or series, we got a full breakdown waiting for you at the Dolly Insider. Now, I want to know, which Nendoroid doll are you most excited about? Let's chat in the comments. If you enjoyed this look at SmileFest 2025, don't forget to like and subscribe. That way, you won't miss out on what's coming next. Thanks for hanging out with me today. I'll see you in the next one.